Alpine family of mountain bikes delivers performance and stylish design. Bold colors define every model. Gloss Midnight Blue or Gloss Grape for the 26-inch sizes, Gloss Process Blue or Gloss Acid Green for the 24-inch sizes. Knobby tires handle a mix of terrain, trails, woods, neighborhood roads, whatever path you choose to ride. The 18-speed twist shifting system is easy to use, delivering smooth gear changes. The Colo 3-piece steel crank design is strong and reliable. The responsive Colo 1200 suspension fork delivers riding comfort and great performance. Every Alpine handlebar features Kraton grips that gives a performance look and comfort feel to your ride. Front and rear linear pull brakes provide sure stopping action. Lightweight alloy rims are weather resistant for improved performance. The padded saddle comes with an alloy quick release that easily adjusts for height. Choose your Alpine mountain bike and head outdoors. With its durable steel frame, you'll have mountain-sized fun.
Long and low hardtails might just be the most fun bikes to ride. Enter the Hook, a hardtail with modern geometry, meaning you can ride this on any trail and have a blast. To keep your shifting fast and simple, the SRAM 1x8 drivetrain gives you a good gearing range for zipping through any terrain, and there's also a chain guide to guarantee more pedaling and less stopping. 27.5 by 2.3-inch tires dish out plenty of traction even when it gets loose on the trail, and they sit on durable, double-wall rims for continued strength. Of course, you know mountain biking is going to be on rough trails, so we added a 120mm Sun Tour fork on the front to eat up the bumps. A nice wide handlebar gives you lots of leverage for steering through twisty trails, and we went with mechanical disc brakes to keep you in control on the steeps. They have lots of power and are simple to use. Best of all, the Hook ships Ready Ride, so with just 4 assembly steps, you can get to the trail and ride even sooner.